Hey guys, what is up? Hope so you all are doing well. Well guys, it's time to say goodbye to Antarctica. Too said, he was a very good guy. No, Antarctica is not going anywhere. Scientists believe that sooner Earth will covered by tsunamis and everywhere there will be a war and shortage of food all around the globe. And everything begins with the end of the Antarctica. Looks like friction, but it is not caused by any meteor. But this is our future, and even not by volcanic eruption. And the reason for the end of Antarctica is this green algae, which is spreading at a massive rate in Antarctica. Okay, algae is all over in Antarctica, but scientists believe that from 2009 to 2019, it had spreaded a lot and its rate is 5 times faster than what it was before 50 years. And after a few years, you may not see white land over there. You may see brown land or even green land on the surface of Antarctica. So let's understand what actually happened with Antarctica in these 10 years which didn't happen in last 50 years. This is not happening for the first time in Antarctica, but it actually happened twice in history of Antarctica. And also we have to understand how greenery of Antarctica affects the greenery of entire world. So whenever you have heard about Antarctica, you may have heard that it is the coldest place in Earth. And it is that one place where if you don't have any shelter, you may not survive for a long. But nowadays, the ice of this planet is melting at a huge rate, and the reason you already know is global warming. But Antarctica was green at the Dragon Ages also, although it was not distributed at that time. But again, history is gonna repeat itself as algae got its favorable condition to grow on the surface of Antarctica. As we are talking about greenery in Antarctica, it will not take more than few years as algae started expanding itself, and you may see green and as well as brown lands in Antarctica. And now process will boost itself. As for your information, the reducing in the amount of snow means absorption of the light. I mean temperature is gonna increase a lot. That's why ice is gonna melt sooner. Now scientists have got a good topic to research, so they started researching about limpet shell as well as bones of penguins. Their main purpose was to find the ages of these cells, but actually it ended up with the result that two biggest glaciers of Antarctica started melting. Both glaciers are located on the left portion of Antarctica, and one's name is Pine Island and another's is Thwaites. And guys, this is happening for the first time in 5,500 years. So melted ice is causing rise in the sea level, and according to scientists, after 100 years, it will rise by 3.4 meters. And for your information, only 1 meter rise in the sea level may cause destruction in the coastal areas. And guys, still we can't calculate how much amount of ice is melting, as we have just discovered about one portion of Antarctica, but actually ice is melting all over Antarctica and even from the ice shell and icebergs. And this time melting rate is almost twice as the rate in 25 years. And in these 25 years, almost 12 trillion tons of ice already got melted. And this is too much terrifying, as ice shells and icebergs prevent ice from melting as they just float over oceans. And the conclusion of this entire conversation is that Antarctica is going behind in time. And if you want to know about history of this Antarctica, so make sure to subscribe to our channel, as we are gonna discuss about this in next videos. And guys, please help me to improve my communication skills in English.